Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply try to enable dark mode right here. At the top left, you will see your profile. Simply click on it. And right here, as you can see, this is your profile section. Simply scroll down till you see something like appearance. It's right here. Well, as you can see, here's system settings and dark mode. Right now, we simply want to enable dark mode, so let's click on this. And guys, there you go. We have enabled dark mode in Tinder PC. It's quite easy. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.